The puzzle title is Mate in 4 back to back. The previous puzzle was Mate in 4. It is white to move. And let's look at the royal squares. Occupied, occupied, controlled, 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 controlled. Mark those in red. And that leaves these. Note the peace relationship between your queen and the king. So any bishop move is a discovered check. So it's important to identify the continuation and find the right bishop move. Well, first of all, we need to realize that his king might come to the h8 square, and so we need to be able to control h7 with our bishop, and that rules out any bishop move along the h5 e8 diagonal. And it just seems logical that bishop to f5 would be the right choice, covering these squares in the event that the king escapes toward the queen's side. So let's identify the continuation in either case with bishop to f5. If the king does come to h8, we sacrifice our rook with check. He takes with his knight, we take with our queen check, he moves his king to g8, and with our bishop on f5, h7 is defended for queen h7 checkmate. On the other hand, if he plays king f7, then our queen can take the bishop's place and slide over for a magic square checkmate on d7. That's going to be your move, bada bing, okay? Again, real quick, let's note that on king to f7, queen g6 check forces king e7, queen e6 check forces king d8, and then queen d7 defended by the bishop would have been checkmate. In this case, though, we can play the aforementioned sacrifice on h6 with check and check, and now the bishop controls h7 for checkmate. He's squished into his rook here. It's a sort of scholar's mate pattern, isn't it? Bada bing, bada boom.